guys, I have a 30-gallon fish tank. I have a crab right there, snail, some fish, damsels, starfish. 30-gallon, like I said. I have a lot of crabs, as you can see. And if you could get closer, that one's empty. And then those two are empty. And I have 2 crabs, that one and that one. As you can see closer, is in there. And then this one. And then I have 2 dams. Well, 3, and then I have another one somewhere. And I have saltwater catfish. I was just right there. I don't know where my saltwater catfish went. Oh, he's right there. And then my other dam store. Sign out of it. What's up, y'all? Go dog.